Hey everybody, it's Mike and welcome to another episode of Base Camp Bacayou. Today I'm heading to Hoosier National Forest to check out some places that my friends Harry and Emily told me about. I don't know if these places have any official names, but when I saw some of their pictures I thought I've got to check those out. Today I'm going to be joined by my hiking buddy of 25 plus years, Charlie, aka Chef Chow Lee. If you're wondering about Michelle, she had some errands to run. Poor thing, she's going to miss out on this, but that means we have to do a return trip back here. But until we get to where we're going, we'll talk to you in a second. Okay, folks, we've arrived to the trailhead, and we're going down an old gravel road, as you can see. And like I said, hello, at the intro, I'm joined by Charlie, aka Chef Chow Lee. We've been hiking maybe 25 years, so we've been all over the place hiking, seeing some cool stuff.
Damn, you're old, dude.
I know, we're getting old, but here we go. We're away from the gravel road and we're trying to find our way around a field up here that's full of briars. So we ducked into the woods because there'd be less briars, and we're heading down to what we think is going to be the creek and hopefully find a waterfall with a nice pool. All right, we found the creek. Just got to make our way down. Look, here's another trail. You see it? Yeah. Just telling Charlie, thank God for the deer trails. That's a pretty nice cascading little waterfall. We're walking downstream along the creek. So might as well check out down here to see if this is where the waterfall is. I'm hoping. We're still heading downstream and haven't found anything yet. Here's another creek that's emptying into this main creek. This looks kind of cool. It's probably slippery than snot, so I gotta be careful. Do some recon up this little creek. Oh, there's a little waterfall. Let's see, how can I get up there? That's kind of cool looking. Gotta check my footing. Another frog. Let's see. Make sure I don't fall in. There we go. That's a little something something. Not the main one we're looking for, but that's pretty cool. Tiny. Chow Lee the fisherman. I'm trying to catch that colorful fish. Did you get it? Oh, there he is. There he is. Charlie's on the hunt. Oh, there he goes, right up here. Under this rock. There it is. He's getting tired. He's getting tired. Under this rock. Right here. There it is. Damn it. There it is. There it goes. Oh, I got him now. I got him now.
You see him?
All right,
Right
here it is. What is that? Look at the colors.
That's cool.
Look at the colors on that.
Okay, how about yeah, I'll go away.
All right, let's see if we can get a shot of it. There it is. Look at that. What do y'all think of that? I don't know what kind of fish that is, but we're gonna find out.
Okay,
It's kind of cool.
getting audio.
Hear that pileated woodpecker?
Hurry.
Still going downstream. Here's some cool rock layers, and I'm hoping that this is a sign that we are getting closer to our goal. Here's how it looks. Gotta be careful with our ankles down here. Look at these layers.
We're getting a picture of it now.
There's a little spring right here. It's pretty cool. Little baby overhang. Charlie's, yeah, Charlie's figuring out ways you can sleep out here with the, look at that. Look how deep them leaves are. He says he's ready to make a bed and bed down a little bit. You got the rock overhang, keep you away from the rain.
You're only approachable from one side.
Oh man, look how huge this crawdad is.
What?
Look how big that sucker is.
What is it? A fish?
It's a crawdad.
Hey, right over.
Look.
Come down here and catch some of these crawdaddies.
See how big that is? Thing is huge. Can you grab it? By its back. There you go. Look how big that sucker is in Charlie's hand.
That's a fucking lobster.
That is huge. That thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Charlie thought about getting my lighter out and kind of grilling that little crawdad for a quick meal, but we decided against it.
We could eat that thing and then take a nap.
Here's a little overhang, little waterfall. Man, it's not huge. Let me get up here. Oh. There you go. Be too wet to be camping back there. You can't camp in that anyway. Illegal. Yeah, these things must be huge out here, these crawdads. Look at that claw.
That's a little one. That's just a claw?
Yeah. I mean, just imagine, they gotta be huge out here. It's got a little leech on it too. There's a little offshoot creek that we're heading upstream on. I'm not sure if this is the right spot, but I hear some water up ahead. Looks like a big rock shelter there. A lot of briars here. Oh, okay, I found a little path. This looks like a tiny little abbreviated box canyon. See that? We got the walls. But I hear the water. I think we're getting close to a waterfall. Look at that rock shelter right there. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Heck yeah. Look at these walls. Look at this overhang. Oh, this is awesome. We'll make our way around to the waterfall. Look at this, you all. This is killer. Let's get to that waterfall real quick and then we'll do some exploring. Oh man, that is cool. That's great. Here it goes. This is awesome. There's Charlie. You can see how big this is. It's so chill down here, having that water, hearing that water. Charlie's chilling. And just looking at this is so awesome. Walk down here a little bit. You can see where all the rocks have slowly fallen off. They'll disintegrate and float, all the particles float downstream. This will slowly keep moving back and back. And what a great shot. That waterfall. So you like that waterfall right there? I'm glad we stumbled upon it. We were kind of unsure of which way to go on the creek, if we should go upstream or downstream. It's so cool. Look at Chow Lee. He's just chilling. I don't know if this waterfall has a name. I think we're gonna head out now. I don't know what to say about this. It's just like when we discover new places to visit and see stuff like this. It's just overwhelming. And just to see this waterfall and this big rock shelter. What do you think, Chow Lee?
Pretty nice day too.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be really cloudy, but it's not bad.
Yeah, it's opened up.
Sure.
Let me show you the waterfall once again. And I think we'll be back down here. We know how to get here. Our plan is to get up above that waterfall and follow the creek back to the road. All right, we gotta find our way through here. All right, this rock might be slippery. Anyway, this is the top of the waterfall. The waterfall we don't know the name of. And I think the easiest path to get back to that road will probably just stay on the creek.
How do you know the creek goes to the road?
Just that terrain map.
Oh, okay.
Made it. And the struggle definitely was real. We did our best to zigzag our way up the hill as opposed to going straight up. Whatever makes it easier for you. I think we still got a little ways to go, but we pretty much conquered that hill. I think one of them thorns tore up my leg. It ain't bleeding through my pants yet, so I ain't worried about it. I don't see, oh, I see the top of my car. Yeah. Cool. So that was pretty cool. Charlie and I really didn't know the area. I had a map.
They bushwhacking the whole way.
Yeah. Didn't really have a spot that we could follow. But we found the waterfall.
It was about 1.5 mile hike, about 10 miles long.
So it feels like. But we're gonna get rested, and we got one more place to check out, and luckily it's not like this.
If it ain't close to the road, I'm going home.
That was cool. So we'll see you shortly. Well, Charlie and I have arrived at the Comstock Cemetery, and I think we both agree that that last leg of our last hike, the bushwhacking, was torturous.
I only agreed to do this because I took an approximation this morning and Mike said it was trail.
Yeah, this one's trail, and that's kind of why I wanted to do that first one, that first hike, get that one out of the way and see that waterfall. And Harry says there's a waterfall over here that's just a half mile down, and some really cool scenic stuff along the creek. So here we go.
Yeah, hell, I ain't wimpy. I'm just old.
There it is. Okay, and there's the cemetery. But here we go. The trailhead is on the southwest corner of this cemetery. Let's check out this cemetery. This is interesting, the different spelling of the names here. The Comstock Cemetery. And these are some pretty old graves here. And then you have some smaller ones like that. Those may have been babies. So different spelling for Comstock here. Look, 1831 to 1911, 1842 to 1909. There seem to be a lot of these little ones. Look what this one says. Oh, this one, 1 month and 12 days.
Yeah, here's one. 1886 to 1887, so.
Nora, daughter of Kitterman. Yeah, 1886, 1887.
But there's the trailhead right there.
Okay. All right, here's the trailhead. We're gonna check that out. Trail's heading down. And again, we're just happy it's a trail.
Oh no.
Yeah, we do have to come back up this. Walking along this creek here, and it looks like this must be where the waterfall is. Waterfall number 2 of our day. Waterfall. Look at this. There's a view from up above it, but that's slicker than snot. Let's head on down. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Wow, nice. Gotta find a safe way to cross it, away from all that slippery, snotty algae. All right, here we go. Yeah, it is a little slick. So I'm down this trail, and right now I'm just going to call it the Comstock Cemetery Trail. I don't know what the real name of this is. Chow Lee's back at the waterfall. He's taking a break, and I just came down here to do a little recon. I think what I might do, because there's probably going to be a bunch of places to come down and check out. So I'm going to head back, and maybe next time I come down here, which will probably be pretty soon. Oh look, there's a deer stand. Which will probably be real soon, is get an early start, just like we had for the waterfall. Bring Michelle and do a lot of exploring down here, because from what I understand, there's some really cool things to see down here. So I'm gonna head back and meet up with Charlie, and we're gonna take it from there and probably head back to the Ville. But yeah, this definitely is beckoning me back. All right. Right on the edge. Dude, that's slick. Go again, going uphill. Charlie said, "Are you sure we went this way?"
I thought it was all downhill.
Yeah, that'd be great, wouldn't it?
Why can't it be downhill both ways?
Tell you what, this weather though, this breeze, yeah, it's turned out to be a wonderful day. I think it's topped out at what, 70 maybe? Back at the Comstock Cemetery, and let's give a little rundown on what we did today. We went to, the first hike was another part of Hoosier National Forest, and we did about like 3 miles, and I think the last mile and a half, after we saw this killer waterfall, trying to get back to the car, we had to bushwhack through a bunch of greenbriers. We made it back to the car, and I think that waterfall definitely I'll go back to. I know how to get there now without having to go through all that other rigmarole. That waterfall gets a Buckeye thumbs up, probably Logston
thumbs up.
And then we came out here, and I don't know the real name of this trail, so I'm just gonna say it's the Comstock Cemetery Trail. And we went down there, down to the waterfall, and a beautiful waterfall. And I walked down a little past that waterfall, and it looks like, to me, definitely gonna have to come back here and do some exploring, and maybe have a start that's a little earlier in the morning, so we're energized and we have a lot of time to just take a chill hike. This place definitely gets a Buckeye thumbs up. How about you, Chow?
Thumbs up.
All right, the Logston thumbs up. If you like this video, which we hope you do, check out our other videos on Base Camp Buckeye, and hit the subscribe button if you want to check out our adventures. You'll probably see Chow Lee some more, and who knows, some other people. Anyway, take care. We'll see you on the next one.